Silicon has ruled the tech world for decades. But what if I told you its time as king might be ending? Let's talk about a new computer made with materials just 1 atom thick. A team of scientists led by Subir Ghosh and Saptarshi Das at Penn State has done something incredible. They built the world's first computer without using silicon. Instead, they used 2 ultra-thin materials. First, molybdenum disulfide for N-type transistors, and second, tungsten diselenide for P-type transistors. These materials are called 2D materials because they're only 1 atom thick, but still work great even at that size. They created a working CMOS computer, the same type that powers your phone or laptop but without any silicon. It runs simple logic operations at low power, which means it's efficient, but for now, it's slower than modern chips. Still, it's a big first step. This could lead to thinner, faster, and more eco-friendly devices in the future. 2D materials might even power the next generation of AI, wearables, and quantum tech. Silicon took 80 years to get here. 2D materials are just getting started. Do you think 2D computers will take over someday? Let me know in comments.